Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the color pixel effect to your clips in CapCut. So if you want to elevate your video with the 3D light scanning effect, you can use the color pixel by going to the video effect, find the scanning category, and in here at the bottom you can see color pixel. So just click on that effect to apply it to your clips, and here is the final result. If you want to adjust, just click on the effect, and there are so many things that you can adjust: glow, the blur, the atmosphere, the speed, the color, and also the amount of the pixel. So just click on a check icon when you're done. So here is the before you apply the effect, and this is the after. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.